Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You already have a GA4 property and access. Now begin. If you prefer simplicity, install a dedicated plugin like SiteKit or GA4 Tag Manager and paste the measurement ID. Once done, update settings and enable enhanced measurement. If you choose manual insertion, open your theme header. PHP or use a child theme and paste the GA4 script before /head. Make sure caching or CDN won't serve stale code. Clear caches after insertion to see results promptly. Once the tag is active, verify with GA4 debug view while you trigger page views and events. Make sure real-time reports show your activity. If not, recheck the measurement ID placement. Next, configure events you need, page view, form submit, purchase, and mark key events as conversions. Also connect Google Ads and Search Console to enrich data and set internal traffic filters to avoid skewed metrics. Finally, enable cross-domain tracking if you use multiple domains or subdomains for accurate user sessions. Finish by observing reports for 24 to 48 hours to confirm stable, accurate data flow. If metrics look off, make targeted checks. Ensure a single GA tag exists, duplicates cause inflated counts, verify the measurement ID, and clear any caching layers. If pages still do not report, use Tag Assistant or Browser Console to spot script errors and review your theme files for misplaced code. In rare cases, roll back recent plugin changes, then retest. This approach narrows issues and restores reliable tracking quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.